So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, we're going to stay on Windows Update. We're going to scroll down and then click on Advanced Options. We're now going to scroll down again and then click on Delivery Optimization. It's going to be saying allow downloads from other PCs. Make sure that you turn this off. You're going to turn this off. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. We're now going to find sysmain. So we're going to scroll down till we find sysmain. Double click on it. You're going to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to uninstall any applications that you don't use. So you could just scroll down and go through the list. If you see anything that you don't use, for example, if I want to uninstall news, I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, then you can uninstall it. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on Startup Apps. We're now going to be on the Startup Apps tab. And then once you're on this, you want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. So for example, in my case, Security Health Sys tray automatically starts up when my computer turns on. And I know this because under status it says enabled. And I want to disable this because I do not want this application to start when my computer turns on. So I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. Repeat this for all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. And now you just want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.